Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we will be doing a sentimental analysis on the ratings and the reviews of VR and AR headsets. So first of all, this is not a real dataset. I repeat, this is not a real dataset. This is a synthetic dataset and it was created by Leo Walker. Alright, so we have product names such as MetaQuest 3, Apple Vision Pro, PlayStation VR 2, and the company which manufactured it. And then we have the reviews and rating, and the favorite feature of the customer, and the least favorite feature of the customer, and the review text. Alright. Alright, so let's move on to analysis now. Okay, so let's import the required libraries. And then let's read the code. Def is equals to pd dot read underscore csv, and then the path, or we can copy this as well. Okay, let's check this. Okay, so we have got this. So first we will do an overall analysis that whether people are happy with these headsets or not. I mean, so we'll divide these into positive, negative, and neutral. Okay, we'll use the polarity basis. Okay, so using TextBlob, convert, we will create a new column for polarity. Okay, and now we will classify the sentiments into polarities, either they're positive or negative or neutral. And now using Matplotlib, we will create a chart for visualization. So we are importing the library here as we forgot to import it before, and then we will count the sentiment categories. And this is for the figure size, and this for the bar. And for X label, we will put our sentiment category. For Y label, we will put frequency. And for title, we will use our sentiment distribution. Okay, let's run this. Let's see what comes. Okay, so we have a very good frequency on positive. So that means people are happy. Let's do a product wise analysis now, that which company people likes the most or majorly. Okay. Okay, so we will calculate the sentiment for each product just like we uh, created the polarity here. Okay. Okay, so let's do this. And now we will group them by product reviews. And now we will calculate the average sentiment for each product. And we are taking the mean of that sentiment. Okay. And now let's put this into a new data frame. And now we will categorize these sentiments, the polarities. So we are defining categorize sentiment via score. And if it is greater than 0.05, then it is positive. If it is less than 0.05, negative 0.05, then we would put it as negative, else it is neutral. Now let's write the code for our visualization. So let's put up with the figure size. And now let's put bars and legends for each product. Okay, so this doesn't looks proper. Let's see. Okay, and let's see that if we add, oops, no. Okay, yeah. So after we created the bars and legends, we put X label as product name, Y label as average sentiment, plot title as product wise sentiment distribution, and rotation up to 90 degrees so that we could see them in vertically. And the location of the legend, we are putting it as upper left. For putting the legend outside the plot. Alright, so let's see. So as I'm seeing it here, the best one is MetaQuest 3, and people are not as happy using the PlayStation VRs. Okay, so Meta 3 and MetaQuest 2, and then we have Snaps Spectacles and X-Trail Air 2 Ultra. Alright. So just like this, we can do a lot of analysis on a lot of things. I mean, we get a lot of data from different websites. We can use them, use the reviews, takes, the ratings, and everything for analysis, sentiment analysis. I mean, all right, guys, thank you for watching.